The health benefits of tea. For centuries, tea has been used in alternative medicine to treat everything from cancer to constipation. Recent research supports these claims. Studies have shown that tea may protect against heart disease, Alzheimer's, and many types of cancer. You may think that if you've tried one tea, you've tried them all, but that's not the case. There's a wide range of flavors within every type of tea and a host of different preventative health benefits. Learn how sipping on a cup of the right kind of tea could be the answer to your health problems. 1. Passion flower tea for anxiety. Passion flower has the flavum crescei, which has anti-anxiety benefits. It works best for people with anxiety who also experience a lot of circular thinking or obsessive thoughts. Try a cup of passion flower tea before bed to calm your mind. 2. Oolong tea for weight loss. Oolong tea boosts metabolism, helping you burn fat faster. Its unique catching, an antioxidant, and caffeine combination ignites your body's fat-burning furnace and raises your metabolism for up to 2 hours after drinking it. Oolong tea also contains polyphenols that help block fat-building enzymes. Studies have shown that drinking oolong tea has led to sustained weight loss and a smaller waist size. Be careful not to overload your tea with sugar, which will negate the benefits. 3. Yerba mate tea for weight loss. Popular in South America, yerba mate tea is chock full of antioxidants and vitamins and can help you lose fat. It contains the fat-fighting compound matinee, which gives you a metabolism and energy boost. Known as a cravings killer, it saves you from consuming empty calories you'd normally reach for. Additionally, yerba mate does not produce the caffeine-related crashes that some people experience with coffee and can give you 3-4 hours of very stable, clean energy. 4. White tea for weight loss. White tea is less processed than other forms of tea, therefore the polyphenols, a type of antioxidant, are extra potent. White tea contains ECGC, an antioxidant that prevents new fat cells from forming and fights signs of aging, like wrinkles. Research indicates that these benefits may protect against colon cancer, among other cancers. White tea's flavor ranges from delicate to bold. 5. Black tea for fresh breath. Black tea helps keep your breath smelling sweet because it is full of polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that stop plaque from clinging to your teeth. Plaque buildup leads to bad breath, among other dental problems. Studies have also found polyphenols inhibit the growth of bacteria in the mouth, thus minimizing the foul-smelling compounds that those bacteria produce. Black tea also helps stop belly fat before it starts. Studies show that polysaccharides in black tea have glucose-inhibiting properties, meaning that it may also help to prevent diabetes. 6. Ginger tea for headaches. Ginger works as an anti-inflammatory agent blocking prostaglandins, the chemical messengers that cause a slight swelling in the brain. Ginger tea reduces inflammation in about the same amount of time as it would take an aspirin to work. Drink a cup at the onset of your headache to stop pain in its tracks. 7. Ginseng tea for a libido boost. This tea boosts sexual arousal and helps combat erectile dysfunction. Ginseng contains compounds called ginsengides that affect gonadal tissue, increasing sperm count as well heightening sexual satisfaction for both women and men. 8. Green tea for overall health. This tea has many properties that can help keep you in tip-top health. It contains a phytonutrient called DGCG that increases the hormone CCK, which is responsible for creating the feeling of satiation. Green tea's high EGCG content also makes it an effective cancer fighter. Studies show that drinking green tea may potentially prevent the onset or slow the progression of dementia. 9. Licorice root tea for a sweet tooth. Licorice, the root, not the candy, is an herb that grows in the Mediterranean and throughout Asia, and is actually sweeter than sugar, with 0 calories. In addition to being good for your sweet tooth, it's also an anti-inflammatory that has bacterial killing properties and a range of other health benefits, including therapeutic compounds that soothe sore throats. 10. Nettle tea for allergies. This tea has antihistamine properties and can prevent hay fever or allergy attacks from happening in the first place. It also relieves annoying allergy symptoms like stuffy nose, sneezing and itchy eyes. Nettle tea is dense, so brew it for 15-20 minutes. Make a larger pot during allergy season and keep in the fridge. Add lime to freshen taste. 11. Peppermint tea for constipation. Sip on this delicious yet potent tea to relieve constipation. Whenever you experience an uncomfortable bout of constipation, peppermint tea is sure to improve motility in the GI tract and get you going. 12. Valerian root tea for sleep. If you're having trouble sleeping, consider valerian tea. The natural compounds in valerian root have been used as a sedative and may help reduce the amount of time it takes for you to fall asleep. Try drinking valerian root tea a couple of hours before bedtime as a safer alternative to habit-forming sleep aids. 13. Safflower tea for heart health. Tea made out of this powerful flower can boost your heart health. The antioxidants in safflower help prevent heart disease by decreasing inflammation in your arteries, keeping them flexible and less likely to clog. Get the benefits by sipping on a cup of safflower tea once a day. 14. Hops blend tea for sleep. Clinical trials show that hops, the same kind that is used in beer, especially when combined with valerian or passion flower, shortens the time it takes to nod off at night and can improve sleep. Enjoy a blended cup. Drinking straight hops tea can be bitter, before bed to calm your mind and body before you turn in.